Then we come back to tourism before. In this video, we want to look at a batch test, and we are going to look at a question paper, which we are going to look at question 5. This is the question 5 that we have, and then our question reads study information in the question that follow. So we are given an extract that reads the site protects the mountain wilderness area and ancient rock art. Then activities in the mountainous park include hiking along the footpaths, exploring caves with rock art, having apps, visiting a voucher restaurant, abseiling, rock climbing, and ice climbing with various adventure tour operators offer guidance the park would be required and complete to ensure their safety. So basically, this is the information that we're given that, on the first question, 5.1. It reads, name the culture group whose legacy resulted in the Ukaramba Drakensberg Park receiving World Heritage status. And the culture group that we are looking at, remember, is the same peoples. Obviously, we are saying our answer is same. And we know that the Seri people, they are also known as the Bushmen, and they are members of any group of the indigenous hunter-gatherers culture, mainly found in Southern Africa. So this is the history that is attached to the same people. So going to the next question, it reads explain how the cultural groups named cultural group named question 5.1. So obviously the cultural group that we are referring to is the same society of the park area. So if you go back to the question, you would see that we can just try to refer back and try to see where we have that information. So if you go to let's try to see according to the information that we are given. Uh, if you go to So if you come here, our descendants created this World Heritage Site protects the mountain wilderness area and ancient rock art. So the ancient rock art that was created by the same people is the contribution that the same people made. Remember, our question needs us to identify the contribution to popularity that the same people made. So obviously, this is the contribution of the ancient rock art that was made. So we can just include that one. Then going back to our next question, we try to see what we have in terms of our next question. 5.3, according to UNESCO, World Heritage Sites are classified as natural, cultural, and mixed heritage sites. So 5.3.1 give the classification of the Karamba Drakensberg Park. So obviously, we are trying to identify whether it's natural, whether it's cultural, or whether it's a mixed heritage site. So I'm just but according to the information that we are given, we would say that uh, it's a mixed heritage site. So we are picking mixed heritage site. And then second part say give one reason from the extract to explain your answer to question 5.3.1. So you would see that we have a mixer. It means both natural and cultural. It meets both. It meets both cultural and natural criteria. So if you try to refer back, we can just try to identify where we have the cultural. If you come here on the issue of the ancient rock arts, it represents the cultural part. In terms of natural, if you try to look on the issue of the way it is designed or the way that it looks like, it indicates the issue of natural features in the form of the mountain wilderness area. The mountain wilderness area represents the natural environment. So basically, that's what we have in terms of supporting information that is there that is showing that it is a mixed heritage site. So going to the next question. So going to the next question, we are now on 5.4. Explain two ways in which the safety of adventure activities in the Ukaramba Drakensberg Park is managed. So the question is asking us ways in which, so we can just maybe try to highlight from here, ways in which are the safety of adventure activities in the Ukaramba Drakensberg Park is managed. So obviously we try to see how we can come up with those ways in which safety is being exercised. But if you go to the question, to the information that we are given, you would see that you come here to it's certain entry points to ensure that if one of the points that is supporting the issue of safety. Remember, our question needs us to identify how safety is being maintained. So basically, that's how we can try to pick one of them. So if you try to go up there again, you would see this. Let's try to find out again where we can find another safety approach. So if you come here, let's try to see. It reads activities in the mountainous with rock art, having a picnic, swimming in rock pools, taking photographs, visiting a voucher restaurant, abseiling, rock climbing, and ice climbing in winter. Various adventure tour operators guided activities, the guided activities and tours that are being offered by the adventure tour operators also becomes a safety approach that is there that we can also include. So this is these are guided activities in terms of the activities that are given there. So the activities being guided, we've got voucher, restaurant, abseiling, rock climbing, ice climbing, and that's where we've got the safety also coming out. So basically, that's what we have on this one, on the part of the question. That is our 5.4. So going to the next, going to see if we have got another question that we have for question 5, and see that this becomes the last question that we have according to this video. So thank you for listening. So let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. Let's not forget to share the link to our colleagues who want to read grade 12 tourism. More typical examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. Let's meet again in the next video.